This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Hindu.
I believe in good fortune. Sometimes it is by sheer luck that you stumble upon certain things. And that is how I found Sam's Kitchen. From the sound of it, I assumed it was a Chinese place. But then I found out that this is actually a multi-cuisine restaurant which specializes in spicy South Indian non-vegetarian food. Want to try? Sam's Kitchen has many outlets all over Chennai, and the Adyar Shastri Nagar one is the latest. Well, the restaurant is not all that huge, but I really love the fact that I'm sharing whatever is available of this space with these two trees. And more points for their authentic Tekkatanattu menu. Now this is a family-run restaurant chain, and the preparation of every item is overseen by Mrs. Patricia.
I'm from Nagarkoil and I like food very much. What I do is, I talk to my relatives, my old parties and my aunties there. I try to get out the recipes which are fading out, and it is not produced exactly the same way because we cannot do that. But I get the basic ingredients from them, how it is roasted, how the masalas are made, and I bring the masalas here and try to make my recipes as far as possible the right way.
The name Sam's Kitchen is basically, Sam's means in French it's without a kitchen. We have a centralized cooking format out of which we do our recipes, masalas. The entire cooking happens in the centralized facility, and we get the food brought in from the centralized kitchen to the pre-prep facility, and it is served to the customer.
The food is reasonably priced here. Thali meals are available for lunch, while the vegetarian option will cost ₹50, the non-vegetarian meal will cost ₹75. Dinner for two will come close to ₹400. I'm starting my meal with rasam. No, I'm not progressing in some reverse order. It's just that the soup here is called rasam, chicken rasam. True to the name, the soup was watery like rasam, with loads of pepper and the right mix of spices and many pieces of shredded chicken. It's pouring cats and dogs. And that is when a soup like this is welcome. It's hot, it's spicy, so much so that my eyes are watering. Mind-blowing. Browsing through the main menu, I zeroed down on many spicy non-vegetarian items. But before all that, I needed a dosa. I'm sounding exactly like Pratibha, right? Well, she loves her dosas. I love mine too, especially when they come with mutton topping. Now this is the mutton curry dosa. It's a Madurai speciality, and it is something like a keema dosa. The only difference is, here the meat is shredded and not minced. Try one of this and you will definitely ask for more. For my main course, I ordered some really interesting dishes. The Arandangi Atarachi Sukka, Idicha Kori Varaval, and two gravies, the mutton muringakai and the Uslampeti Koli Kolambu. And then I ordered for some appams to go with all this. most about the appam here is the fact that they are huge, not like those small ones that you get at most of the restaurants. This is just like the one my mother makes at home. This is the Arandangi Attarachi Varuval from the Arandangi area in Pudukkottai district. It is a very dry item and it looks very spicy. Don't be deceived, it's not that hot. It is easily edible. Now the Koli Kolambu is from the Usulampatti town in Madurai district. The dish is prepared in a clay pot, and though there are a lot of spices and masala in it, it is the flavor of the tomato that comes out strongest. This is the Idichakodi Varuval. It has a lot of ground chili and a lot of spices in it. I can actually feel the fumes coming out of my ears and my tongue. And the chicken muringaka, just brilliant. You bite into the chicken and then you can actually taste the muringaka, and when you bite into the muringaka you can taste the chicken. Sam's Kitchen also has Chinese, North Indian and tandoor items on their menu. The dragon chicken, paneer butter masala and zamzam chicken are some of the very popular items here. The dessert selection is actually minimal. They have the carrot halwa, the gulab jamun and the payasam. And I've chosen the payasam. A sweet is always welcome after all those spices. I had an awesome spicy South Tamil Nadu lunch. But let me warn you, the food I had was explosive stuff. Can you stomach it?
Feeding Frenzy is brought to you by Oriental Cuisines and Reliance Big TV. Over 200 channels with digital picture and sound.
நான் விரும்புவதற்கு மட்டும் பணம் செலுத்தினால் நன்றாக இருக்குமே. அறிமுகம் ஏர்செல் பே பெர் செகண்ட். எத்தனை செகண்டோ அத்தனை கட்டணம்.